Here's a short video of a conversation I had with VAPI AI, one of the leading choices for AI receptionists or AI agents. And you can do the same exact thing without having to register or anything. So here's a quick demo. Enjoy.
Welcome to VAPI. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
My day's pretty good. The Detroit Lions are about to start, and I'm pretty pumped for that.
Nice. Hopefully the Lions can pull off a win for you. Is there anything else on your mind, or are you just excited for the game?
I'm excited for the game, but I had a couple of quick questions for you. You got a second?
Of course. I'm all ears. What's on your mind?
What can you do for me?
I can do a lot of things. I can help you with information retrieval, scheduling appointments, and much more.
Sure. I'm just wondering if you can help gather leads for my company when people call in.
Absolutely. I can definitely help with that. VAPI can assist in gathering information and managing incoming calls for your company. We can set up a system to capture leads and ensure that all relevant information is collected during the call. Let me know if you'd like to explore this further.
Yeah, I would like to know a little bit more. Is my data secure? How does it actually work?
Absolutely. Your data's security is our top priority. VAPI uses state-of-the-art encryption and security protocols to ensure that all data is safe and secure. As for how it works, VAPI can be integrated into your existing phone system or app to handle incoming calls. When a call comes in, VAPI can gather information from the caller using natural language processing and store it securely for your use. It's all pretty seamless and convenient.
Awesome. So I program you with like system prompts, and that way I can control what you're going to say to my customers?
Exactly. You can program me with system prompts and customize responses to best fit your specific use case and brand voice. This way you have full control over the conversation flow and the information that's conveyed to your customers. It's all about making the experience as seamless and tailored as possible.
And where do you get the information about my company to do all this?
You can provide VAPI with the necessary information about your company, products, and services. This can include FAQs, product details, service offerings, and any other relevant information. VAPI can then use this data to effectively assist your customers and provide them with accurate and up-to-date information.
Awesome.
It's all about making sure that I'm glad you think so. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
Perfect. And what was your name?
I'm an AI assistant powered by VAPI. You can call me VAPI for short, Toddy, if you have any more questions. Just let me know.
Sure. Do you, can I make my assistants say that their name is, I don't know, Sarah Connors or somebody?
Absolutely. You can customize the name and personality of your assistant to fit your brand and preferences.
Awesome.
Whether it's Sarah Connor, glad you think so. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Perfect. How many voices are inside of VAPI, or where do the voices come from?
VAPI supports a wide range of voices in multiple languages. The voices come from various sources, including providers like Cartesia, OpenAI, and others. These voices are carefully selected to ensure natural and engaging interactions with users. If you have a specific voice in mind, I can help provide more details about its availability and usage.
Cool. Can agents I build with VAPI close deals and take transaction money?
The API can assist in facilitating transactions and closing deals by providing relevant information and guiding users through the process. However, the actual handling of financial transactions would typically be done through a payment gateway or other secure system.
Perfect.
The API can help facilitate.
Can you transfer live calls to somebody?
Yes, VAPI can facilitate transferring live calls to another destination, such as another phone number or extension. This can be useful for ensuring that callers are connected to the right person or department. If you have any specific requirements for call transferring, I can provide more details on how VAPI can help with that.
Perfect. All right. Well, listen, I appreciate all your help.
I'm glad. You're welcome. If you ever have more questions or need assistance in the future, don't hesitate to reach out.
I appreciate it.
Have a great day and enjoy the game.
Perfect.
No problem. Have a great.
All right.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Obviously, you can go right on their site and play around with it. That's a pre-programmed version, and basically what we can do is make it stay as narrowly focused as you want, or give it more free reign or something in the middle. Most of the time what clients want to do is upload like the frequently asked questions and program it so it's got a goal in mind, whether that's to set an appointment, whether that's to schedule a second call with a senior salesperson or customer service rep, depending on where the call direction goes. And you can basically give it those guardrails or guide it into the parameters that you want. So it's a really cool technology. It's working really good. You can hop on their website, like I said, and play around with it. It's not perfect. You will have a bump here and there, but once you set it exactly how you want, you test it, we tweak it for you, we fine tune the model, make sure it works, accomplishing the goal 99% of the time that you're looking for, at least in that right direction. Then you launch it, and it's going to be on 24/7. And you can build it into your phone system, so it only picks up on the fourth ring. So if you actually have a live receptionist, that receptionist can answer first. But when the receptionist is on another call, or if they're tied up, if they're away from their desk, whatever it may be, and these agents never change their mood. They're always how you program them and run in those parameters of the program. So, so many advantages, so many things, so much cool technology, and it's just amazing what we can get this thing to do. So anyway, if you're interested in something like this, drop a comment down below or send me a DM. If you want to see more videos like this, drop a comment about that. If you have any specific features or questions that you would just like to see a video on, I'll be happy to, if we get enough requests for it, I'll be happy to take a look and get something like that done as well. Otherwise, go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Have fun, and go Lions.